In this video, I'm going to be going over a cold email script strategy that you can use for any agency service from web design, SEO, video marketing, TikTok, it doesn't matter. I'm going to show you how to write a 2-sentence cold email that can generate you qualified leads, booked calls, and closed deals without any effort. You can basically take the templates I'm about to go over in this video, copy and paste them into your outreach, and start booking calls and generating, yes, please tell me more, replies in your inbox. Without further ado, let's get into it. Real quick, if you don't know me, my name is Christian, co-founder at Client Ascension and ListKit. We did $1 million in revenue in December. I've written cold emails for more than 3,000 business owners over the past 4 years. And in front of me, I have 3 different offers with who they work with, offer, service, case studies, all that stuff. And I'm going to write a cold email script for each one of them. Going down the line, starting with Andrew Peluso from Pesty Marketing. He does SEO and PPC for pest control companies doing at least $1 million a year in revenue. They only work with one pest control company per city, which is a good offer. And they have a really good case study with Lejuni's Pest Control, had their biggest month with 329 new recurring customer sales. So let's get into it. The first thing I want to do with any cold email script is quick question. Yes, it still works. I'll go over some alternatives in a minute, but hey, first name. All I'm going to do is say I was checking out company names, website, and noticed a few things that might be costing you more. And now I'm going to underline this because whenever I pitch anything with cold email for a service-based business, I don't want to say leads. I don't want to say jobs. I want to go a level deeper and talk about things like bed bug and termite control. So one of their clients, Lejuni's Pest Control, I'm just going to go on their website and see what it is that they offer, right? Attic restoration, fly control, mosquito control, bird control, right? All these different things. I can pick and choose which one I want. I assume that bed bugs and termites are probably the most prevalent. Let's just see. Pest control, bed bug treatment, termite, right? These are probably the most prevalent issues that a homeowner has when they call up a pest control company. So I'm going to say that might be costing you more bed bug and termite control jobs in Tampa, right? Whatever city the business is from. Right? I recorded a quick video breaking down the causes and how to fix them. Mind if I share the video here? And you're probably saying, Christian, why would I only send this? I'm not making any offers. I'm not really doing anything to get the person to say yes to what I'm selling. That's the whole point. The only point of this cold email angle is literally to get someone to say, yes, I would like to see a video explaining how I can get more bedbug and termite jobs. And think about it from the person's perspective on the other end of the line, right? This person was checking out my website and they noticed some things that are costing me more of my favorite kind of jobs that make me a lot of money. It's in my best interest to say yes to a video pitch. And then you, as the cold email, the person sending the email, can get on a Loom video like this one here and write or record a really good video for the prospect and get them on the phone. Now, alternative angle, right? If you don't want to pitch a Loom video or you don't think it's going to work, that's fine. I'll write you a different angle that works just as well, right? And in this one, I'm going to go for more of a Pesty Marketing, more of a direct pitch, right? So, hey, first name, as the owner of, actually, let's just say I'm sure you're looking for more, termite control jobs in Tampa and St. Pete. I'm from Tampa, so I'm just using this as an example. We can bring you bed bug and termite leads for as low as $64 per lead, just like we've done for Reliant Pest Management in Texas. We only work with one pest control company per city. So once we have a client in that area, or so once you work with us, you'll become the go-to pest control company in all of Tampa Bay, right? Mind if I share a quick video explaining how this works, right? A lot more straightforward. You're pitching your services a lot harder, right? We can get you bedbug and termite leads for as low as $64 a lead, just like we did for one of your peers in Texas, competitors, I guess you could say, but not really because it's not the same area. We only work with one pest control company per city, so once you work with us, you become the go-to pest control company in all of Tampa Bay. Mind if I share a video? I pitch a video in just about all of the angles involving any kind of marketing agency service because it's much easier for a prospect to say, yes, show me a video, instead of let's hop on a call and maybe work together. Like showing somebody a video is the most low barrier thing you can do to get them interested in learning more about your services. So Andrew, for the sake of time, I could write 5-10 more angles for you, but these two are really the ones that I think would resonate most with your audience, right? Because we're referencing bed bug and termite leads. We can even say attic restoration leads if we want. Like I could just mix and match and test different services against each other, but that's what I would do for SEO for pest control. Okay, Sean from ranks.com, buying traffic via PPC ads, submit your website and your most important keyword. Okay, so I want to see who this guy, Sean, actually works with. Let's see. Own the entire front page, most important keywords. So I'm not exactly sure who these guys work with. It looks like SaaS companies. Let's just go based off SaaS companies because their case study is with SEMrush, and that is obviously a software company. So subject line, company name, X, ranks, intro. Hey, first name, as the founder of a SaaS company, I'm sure you're looking for more product demos on your sales team's calendar without relying on paid ads, right? We can rank you at, let's see what they actually say on the website. Acquisition targets, why they would be a good acquisition. Okay, it looks like they actually help people buy other websites and just steal that traffic. Wow. Okay, this is actually a really, really good offer. So we can help you acquire websites, blogs, and forums that are ranking at the top of Google so you capitalize on their website traffic. If you send over a keyword that you'd like to rank higher for, this is actually a really interesting offer, and there's a lot of ways we can go about this. And I'll send over 10 acquisition targets you can look into. You're basically buying your way to the top of Google searches. Mind sending over a keyword so I can run the acquisition analysis for you? Really good offer. This one's a bit long-winded, so let's go with a really short one. Quick question. I'm actually going to do a third variant here because this offer is so unique. Hey, first name. I was checking out company names. I was searching up company name on Google and noticed a few websites are ranking higher than you on Google searches. I recorded a quick video explaining how you can strategically acquire these websites and take over their traffic. Really good offer. Mind if I share the video here? Now I want to do one more angle because this is really such a good offer. Looking to acquire, let's do acquisition target for company name because this really gets like the curiosity burning. Oh, acquisition target, is someone trying to buy me? Hey, first name, are you looking to make any strategic acquisitions for company name? We can help you, and I like the hook I used above. We can help you acquire websites, blogs, and forums that are ranking ahead of you on Google so you can capitalize on their website traffic. If you send over a keyword you'd like to be ranking higher for, I'll send back 10 to 12 potential acquisition targets for you. Interested? Really, really smart play here. I love this entire offer. Hopefully this was helpful. Let's go on to John. So we help self-storage facilities get more online rentals by improving SEO, PPC, and website UX. Okay. Free marketing plan. This is perfect for a video pitch because we can just pitch a video going over the marketing plan, which is great. So let's go to their website real quick and let's see what we got. Maximize move-ins with a proven marketing system for self-storage. We helped StoreQuest double their monthly rentals. Okay, that's a good angle. So same thing here. I want to do one that's like basically pitching the marketing plan, but in a really low barrier way. So, hey, first name. I was checking out company name's website, noticed a few things that might be costing you, more move-ins, unit rentals. I hope that's the correct verbiage here. I'm trying to see if this is rent more units. I'm just going to call it more unit rentals, yeah. I recorded a video breaking down the causes. Okay, that's like the very easy way to pitch a marketing plan because you're not really offering anything. Do you have available units? Let's do one that's kind of like a little bit clickbaity just to get their attention. Do you guys have available units you're looking to fill? Okay. If so, we can help you fill those units with our self-storage marketing plan. StoreQuest doubled their monthly rentals in 1 month working with us, and we have the blueprint to help company name do the same. Mind if I share a quick video going over a marketing strategy I had in mind for you? Boom, right? Let's try one that's like, I love the subject line of company name X asset growth agency. And then I would assume that these like storage unit guys are pretty blue collar. So I want to do an angle that's like, I'll skip the BS or I'll skip the fluff and get right to it. We recently helped StoreQuest double their monthly unit rentals in just 1 month by ranking them at the top of local Google searches. And we can do the same for you. I like these keywords that are listed in the case study. So your occupancy will increase and your net movements will be positive. Your unit occupancy will increase and your net move-ins will be positive even during slow season. Your unit occupancy will increase and your net move-ins will be positive even during slow season. And once again, I want to pitch a video because that video is basically what's going to be the free marketing plan. Mind if I share a video of your rates versus your competitors? Ooh, that's also a good angle. Mind if I share a quick video comparing your rates to your competitors to see there's room for improvement? I'm going to do one more angle because I love this comparing the rates to the competitors thing. So, and noticed your rates are priced a bit higher than your competitors. Now, this is a bold move because you're assuming this and it could be wrong and their net rates could be lower than their competitors. So if you're not willing to get some screw-offs in your email inbox, don't try this. But if you are and you just want to be bold and aggressive with your outreach, definitely try this. I recorded a quick video going over a rate that will price you competitively against your competitors' favor. I don't want to use the same word twice. And boost your net move-ins this month. Mind if I share the video here? I hope you guys can see, like, when I'm going through resources and information from anyone I'm writing a cold email sequence for, analysis of your promos, analysis of your rates, really good little nugget that we can make into an angle. Right? Acquisition of companies. This, I didn't even realize this until I read through the description a couple times, that Sean helps people acquire businesses to take their website traffic. Genius. Really good offer, right? These guys focusing on bed bug and termite control leads instead of just saying sales or leads. So hopefully this was valuable. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. This is going on YouTube as well for anyone watching in the community. In the link in my description, there's a link to book a one-on-one consulting call with me where I will write you a 3-step cold email sequence if you're interested. And there's a link to our setup offer, which explains how we can build you a cold email system into your business with my scripts, our private sending infrastructure, our leads, and our sending tool. Hopefully this was valuable. Thanks.